Accidents happen, and when they do, knowing what to expect during the claims process can save you time, stress, and money. Here's how it works in Ontario. Step 1. Stay safe and document everything. First, check that everyone is safe. Call emergency services if needed. Then, take photos, gather witness details, and exchange information with the other driver. Step 2. Report the accident promptly. In Ontario, you're required to report the accident to a collision reporting center within 24 hours, especially if there's over $2,000 in damage or any injuries involved. Step 3. File your claim with your insurer. Call your insurance provider or file the claim online. Be ready to provide details of the accident, photos, and police report information if applicable. Step 4. Work with the claims adjuster. An adjuster will review the damage, ask questions, and may inspect your vehicle. They'll determine fault, estimate repair costs, and explain what's covered under your policy. Step 5. Repairs, rentals, and coverage. Your insurer may recommend repair shops or let you choose your own. If your policy includes rental coverage, they'll arrange a temporary vehicle while yours is being repaired. Step 6. Final payout and deductible. Once repairs or replacements are approved, you'll receive a settlement minus your deductible. If you're not at fault, your deductible may be waived. Step 7. Follow up and know your rights. Ask for a written summary of the claim. If you're unsure about anything, don't hesitate to question the outcome. You have the right to dispute decisions or request clarification. A little preparation goes a long way. By understanding the claims process in Ontario, you'll be better equipped to handle whatever the road throws your way. Need help navigating your policy or understanding claim details? Reach out to Begin Insurance today at 905-482-6666 or visit our website www.begininsurance.ca for more details. We're here to make insurance simple for you. Begin Insurance. Begin your tomorrow, today.